Welcome to JH. If you are constantly searching for ways to optimize your workflow and increase efficiency, you have likely encountered various AI tools that claim to simplify your daily operations. Today, we are exploring one of the most robust AI assistants available, Monica AI. Monica is far more than a basic productivity app. It is a comprehensive assistant built to handle demanding tasks so you can concentrate on your core priorities. Whether you are a developer, a content creator, or simply someone aiming to maximize their time, Monica provides the support you need. After testing it extensively, I will guide you through everything this platform offers to help you decide if it lives up to the reputation. What exactly sets Monica AI apart from its competitors? It is powered by sophisticated, cutting-edge AI technology, making it an intelligent partner capable of generating content, managing correspondence, translating text, and automating routine chores. Supporting over 120 languages, Monica is a versatile solution for users across the globe. One of its most impressive traits is its processing speed, driven by an advanced AI accelerator that gets things done instantly. Furthermore, it integrates perfectly with your web browser and functions across all your devices, ensuring your productivity remains high regardless of your location or the hardware you are using. Regarding data security, Monica prioritizes your privacy with enterprise-level protection, ensuring your information remains confidential. This tool is designed to assist you, not replace you, by managing the most tedious parts of your job. For those in content creation or development, it is a total game changer. If you frequently handle long documents, Monica's summarization features will revolutionize your process. It quickly extracts vital information from lengthy PDFs or articles, providing concise overviews so you can skip hours of reading through dense materials. Monica also excels in technical environments. If you struggle with repetitive coding or want to accelerate development, this tool has you covered. It can generate code snippets from prompts or assist in debugging issues as they arise. Beyond coding, Monica eliminates time-consuming tasks like repetitive emailing or manual data entry through automation. It can draft responses, organize your inbox, and handle queries autonomously. It essentially acts as a 24/7 personal assistant that is always ready to help. The PDF functionality is particularly noteworthy. Monica identifies key points in massive documents for a quick summary, ending the need to manually search through hundreds of pages. Its smart Q&A feature even allows you to ask specific questions about a document's content for professional insights. Additionally, the comparison tool lets you analyze multiple PDFs side by side, highlighting differences instantly and saving you from manual labor. Another standout feature is artifacts, which are real-time creations generated during your chats. You can modify these, like changing chart colors or updating website info, simply by using natural language commands. For developers, the coding assistant can even transform images or designs into HTML, CSS, or JavaScript code. If you are stuck on a complex Excel formula, just take a screenshot of the problem, and Monica will provide the solution immediately. For team projects, Monica offers collaboration tools that allow multiple users to work together on content, web design, or data analysis in real time. This eliminates the slow back and forth of traditional messaging and email, making it perfect for teams that need to move fast. Monica is clearly a formidable tool, blending AI-driven power with a user-friendly interface to optimize any workflow. One of its best features is affordability. The free plan is quite generous for understanding the basics, and the paid options are very cost-effective given the time saved. If you need a dependable and accessible AI assistant, Monica is a top-tier choice. Once you integrate it into your routine, you will wonder how you ever managed without it.